to accept financial aid at the University of North Alabama. First, you'll need to go to our homepage at una.edu and click on the Portal tab. Next, you'll enter your UNA username and your UNA password and sign in. On the portal, you will see that your view may be different than pictured on the screen. But to view your financial aid offers, you'll click on the Financial Aid Dashboard tab in the Financial Aid section. On your home page, you'll need to be sure that you select the appropriate aid year, and then you must answer your financial aid questions. To be considered for any financial aid, you'll have to answer yes, and then submit your decision. Then you'll be able to see any unsatisfied requirements that must be cleared up before you can receive your financial aid. Then you can click on the Award Offer tab and see your actual financial aid awards. Note, the cost of attendance is not your bill. That is only an estimate of what it could cost to attend the university. Below that, you'll see any grants and scholarships. If you are awarded scholarships, you'll have to accept them and the terms and conditions, and you can see the amount of your awards broken down by semester and the total amount. And you can also see any student loan offers at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you want to accept, decline, or modify your loans, you have the option to do that for each loan that you're offered, and then you can submit your decision. Once you have made your decision, if you're going to accept or decline, then you must submit that decision by clicking on the Submit button, and you'll see at the upper right-hand side that you have successfully submitted the award offer. Now, you have to also accept the terms and conditions for your financial aid by clicking in the box and clicking Accept Award. If you do accept your student loans, remember you must complete loan entrance counseling and sign your master promissory note, and you complete those steps at studentaid.gov. On that website, you'll click on the Loan and Grants tab, and then you'll see the master promissory note link and the link to complete loan entrance counseling. If you have any questions about how to accept your financial aid, you're welcome to contact us by calling the number on your screen or coming to the One-Stop Information Desk located on the first floor of the Gunn Commons, or emailing us at sfins@una.edu, and be sure to follow us on all social media platforms.